Today I bring you guys another amazing juice recipe that you guys will definitely love. Let me walk you through how you can make yours. To start, I'm going to start by cutting the watermelon. I'm making use of watermelon, orange and ginger. Just 3 ingredients and it's absolutely amazing. I'm cutting the watermelon into small chunks for easy blending. I also cut the ginger into small pieces and set it aside, and I'll go ahead and juice the orange. For today, I'm making use of this plastic juicer. In case you don't have the electric juicer, this is what you can use to juice your orange, and it does an amazing job. I've been using this for years, alright? I just go ahead, juice my orange and set it aside as well. Do not limit yourself that you don't have juicer, alright? Go to the local market or local store, grab this plastic and then use it to juice your orange, your lemon. It does an amazing job. Transfer the watermelon and the ginger into the blender. Cover it up and blend it until it's completely smooth. Do not add water to blend the watermelon. Watermelon is very soft. You don't need water to blend it. I'll go ahead and sieve the juice out of the shaft. Trash the shaft and keep the juice. I'm going to sieve it a couple of times so I can get a perfect smooth juice, alright? If you have a cheesecloth will do the job easily without doing it a couple of times, alright? But I don't have a cheesecloth. I just sieve it a couple of times, alright? I go ahead and sieve the orange juice as well. You can just throw the orange juice into the watermelon and the ginger if you don't want to sieve the orange juice, alright? That is optional. Mix everything together and that is it, guys. It's super simple and it is ready. Transfer it into your jug or your glass jar or whatever you want to use to store it. You can keep it in the fridge to chill a little bit, or you can just go ahead and serve it straight away. It's super refreshing and the color is so beautiful. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up. I noticed that you guys watch my video without liking it. Please like the video. Please like the video. I would really appreciate that if you can click the thumbs up button. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.